Want to know how to grow your brand with a YouTube channel? You're in the right place. The first key to unlocking the potential of YouTube as a powerhouse for your brand lies in defining your brand identity and setting clear, achievable goals. Let's think about brand identity. It's not just a catchy logo or a trendy color scheme. It's the core essence of your brand, the values you stand for, and the promises you make to your audience. It's the unique blend of your mission, vision, and values that sets you apart from the crowd. It's what your brand represents at its core. So how does this relate to YouTube? Well, every piece of content you publish on your channel should be a reflection of your brand identity. The videos you create, the topics you cover, the way you engage with your audience, all this should be guided by your brand identity. If your brand is all about sustainable living, your content might focus on eco-friendly tips and products. If your brand is about inspiring creativity, you might share how-to videos, artist interviews, or creative challenges. The key is to consistently represent your brand's mission and values in your content. Now, let's talk about setting goals for your YouTube channel. Goals give you a direction. They provide a clear path for you to follow and a way to measure your success. Whether you aim to increase brand awareness, drive more traffic to your website, or boost sales, having clear objectives will guide your content creation and help you stay focused on what's important. Remember, your goals should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This means that instead of saying, "I want to get more subscribers," you might say, "I aim to gain 1,000 new subscribers in the next 3 months." This makes your goal clear, trackable, and tied to a specific timeline. In the end, your brand identity is the heart of your YouTube channel, and your goals are the roadmap to success. Keep them in mind as you plan, create, and share your content. Defining your brand identity and setting clear goals is the first step to growing your brand with a YouTube channel. Now onto developing a compelling content strategy and optimizing your channel. First, let's talk about content types. Your content should not only align with your brand identity, but also captivate your target audience. Whether it's how-to guides, product reviews, or behind-the-scenes peeks into your operation, the type of content you produce should reflect your brand's unique personality and values. Next, we have consistency. It's not just about regularly posting videos, but also ensuring that your content, tone, and style remain consistent across all videos. This will help create a cohesive brand image and make it easier for viewers to recognize your content. Now, what's your unique value proposition? This is what sets you apart from the competition. It could be your unique perspective, your expert knowledge, or your unique presentation style. Whatever it may be, make sure it shines through in every video you make. Moving on to channel optimization, let's start with your channel art and logo. These visual elements should reflect your brand identity and immediately communicate who you are and what you do. They should be eye-catching, professional, and consistent with your overall branding. Your channel description is another key element. It should succinctly tell viewers what they can expect from your channel. This is also a great place to insert keywords that can improve your channel's searchability. Lastly, don't forget to include links to your website and social media profiles, as well as your contact information. This will make it easier for viewers to connect with you beyond YouTube and discover more about your brand. A well-defined content strategy and an optimized channel are crucial to attracting and retaining your audience. Remember, every element of your channel, from the videos you produce to the description and visuals, should work together to create a cohesive and compelling brand image. This not only helps you stand out from the crowd, but also builds trust and credibility with your viewers. Engaging your audience and optimizing your videos for SEO are next on our list. Creating a strong bond with your audience is crucial to growing your brand on YouTube. It's not just about uploading great content, it's also about fostering a relationship with your viewers and building a sense of community. One of the most effective ways to do this is by responding to comments. Each comment is an opportunity to engage with your audience, answer their queries, and thank them for their support. It shows you value their input and are willing to take the time to interact. Another powerful tool at your disposal is the Call to Action, or CTA. This is where you directly ask your viewers to take a specific action, like subscribing to your channel, liking the video, or leaving a comment. A clear and compelling CTA can significantly increase engagement and viewer retention. Don't forget about the community tab either. This feature allows you to share updates, ask questions, and interact with your audience beyond your videos. It's a great way to keep your audience engaged and interested in your content, even between uploads. Now let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is all about making your videos easier to find, both on YouTube and on search engines like Google. To optimize your videos for SEO, you'll want to pay special attention to your titles and descriptions. They should be clear, descriptive, and include relevant keywords. But your SEO efforts shouldn't stop there. Tags are another valuable tool for improving your video's discoverability. They help YouTube understand what your video is about and can increase your chances of appearing in relevant search results. Lastly, we have thumbnails. A well-designed thumbnail can drastically increase your click-through rate. It's the first thing viewers see when they come across your video, so it needs to be eye-catching and accurately represent what your video is about. Remember, audience engagement and SEO optimization can greatly boost your brand's visibility on YouTube. Let's delve into the world of cross-platform promotion and partnerships. It's no secret that the digital landscape is vast, and your potential audience can be found across a myriad of online platforms. Promoting your brand beyond YouTube is an effective way to reach more people and direct traffic to your channel. Consider social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Each of these platforms offers unique ways to share your content, from Instagram stories to LinkedIn articles. By tailoring your content to each platform, you can engage with different segments of your audience and lead them back to your YouTube channel. Now, don't forget about email marketing. This is a great way to keep your audience informed about new videos or updates on your channel. With a simple click, your subscribers can be directed straight to your latest content. Next, let's talk about collaborations and partnerships. They are an excellent way to expose your brand to new audiences and build credibility. Imagine creating joint content with an influencer or another brand whose audience aligns with yours. This not only broadens your reach, but also adds a fresh perspective to your content. But how do you identify these opportunities? Start by looking within your niche. Are there influencers or brands that share your values? Do they produce content that complements yours? Reach out to them, propose a collaboration, and see where it leads. Remember, the key to successful collaborations is mutual benefit. Both parties should gain something valuable from the partnership, whether it's increased visibility, shared resources, or access to a new audience. The beauty of cross-platform promotion and collaborations is that they create a network of connections. Your brand becomes part of a larger conversation, a community that extends beyond your YouTube channel. This not only helps grow your brand's visibility, but also fosters a sense of belonging among your audience. Cross-platform promotion and collaborations can significantly extend your brand's reach, so start exploring these avenues and see how they can enrich your brand story on YouTube. Last but not least, let's talk about analytics, YouTube features, and the importance of consistency. YouTube Analytics is a goldmine of information. This feature can help you understand who's watching your content, how they're finding it, and which videos are hitting the mark. Watch time and retention rates tell you how engaging your content is. Click-through rates reveal the effectiveness of your thumbnails and titles. By delving into the demographics and traffic sources, you can get a clearer picture of who your audience is and where they're coming from. Use these insights to tweak your content strategy, making sure it's resonating with your audience and attracting new viewers. Now let's move on to some of the built-in YouTube features that you can leverage to enhance your brand's visibility and engagement. YouTube Shorts, a format for 60-second videos, is great for quick tips or highlights that can pique interest in your brand. Cards and end screens are interactive elements you can use to promote your content, merchandise, or other YouTube channels. Plus, playlists can help you organize your content in a way that guides your audience through your videos, enhancing their viewing experience and improving your watch time. Finally, we can't stress enough the importance of consistency. Consistency in your branding, in your uploading schedule, in your video quality, and in your message. Consistency builds trust and familiarity, which in turn can lead to a loyal audience. But remember, consistency doesn't mean rigidity. Stay adaptable. Keep an eye on trending topics and emerging formats. Be ready to experiment and innovate while keeping your brand identity intact. By monitoring analytics and leveraging YouTube features, while maintaining consistency, You can continuously improve and grow your brand on YouTube.